Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to download your certificate of 5 days AI agent intensive vibe coding program conducted by Google. Visit to the Cargill official website. Click on the first link. At the top right you can see your profile section. Click on that. Click on your profile. You can see your badge section that you have received a 5 days AI agent badge. Click on that. Click on view badge certificate. You can see you have received your certificate of the participant. You can download your certificate here, and you can download or you can share your certificate to your LinkedIn profile or any other websites. Thank you for watching.